From work duties to grocery lists, you can manage all your tasks in one place with Microsoft To Do. And with integration from desktop to mobile, it's easy to collaborate and get things done with colleagues, friends, and family. To get started, open Microsoft To Do and sign in to your Microsoft account. To create a new list, select New List. Name your list, and even assign an emoji if you'd like. Then, add as many list items as you'd like. To share your list with friends, family members, or colleagues, click the sharing icon. Create an invitation link and copy it. Now, you can paste and share that link in your favorite messaging app, like Outlook or Microsoft Teams. With the Microsoft To Do mobile app, you can take your list on the road and continue being productive wherever you go.